What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. Side hustles to make an extra $10 to $100 per day. Of course, it's 2019. Everybody watching this video has either started a side hustle or is looking to start a side hustle. And be like those people that they see online. Obviously, I have my own side hustles, and as you know, tomorrow will mark 2 months since I was officially unemployed. So, yesterday, in my previous video, I talked about making an extra 10k to 100k per month and how to do that. In that video, I mentioned a few various side hustles, and today I'm going to give you 5 side hustles which can make you an extra $10 to $100 per day. Number 1, Airbnb. If you have an apartment or a house, a flat, even if you just have a back garden, you can Airbnb. If you really want, and yes, I really mean this, you can just set up a tent in your back garden and people will pay for it. That can get you $20, $30, $40 per day, depending on how nice your place is, whatever rate you charge, obviously. And the funny thing is, it doesn't take you that long to clean, and whatever you're Airbnb-ing, well, you're probably not even using that anyway. If you are, I know people that literally have a place and they charge $200 a night for their Airbnb, and they go and book a motel and stay in there, $120 for that night. $80, they come away with that. Clever. So you don't even have to have an extra room, it can be your own room. But just make sure you're charging more than you're obviously going to pay to stay somewhere else. It's pretty simple, it's effective. Airbnb is 2019. People stay in other people's houses and pay to stay there. And people take people into their own houses for a fee. So Airbnb, anything. Your back garden, like I said, any room in your house that are not being used, any rooms that are being used, it's up to you. Number 2, tutoring, teaching / coaching. All of you have at least a skill, if not more. I have various skills. As you know, speaking different languages, being a sports coach, teaching even simple things like math and English. But how can you use your talents to help someone else? Well, figure out what you have. You could have played a sport and you could be 20 years old and trying to teach younger kids. You could have been really good at maths when you were younger and now want to teach younger kids. You don't even have to be good. You could have just known simple addition and subtraction, multiplication, division, and teach it to younger people. You don't have to have a PhD in, technology and IT and coding to teach a simple coding camp or coding class to young kids. That's what I've done. That's what I did this summer, a few weeks ago. That's why today, in this video, I'm giving you a lot of things that I've done. That is pretty simple for me. These side hustles I've been a part of. In fact, this morning, 3 hours, I coached. Coached the sport that I play, as you guys know. If you don't know, you need to find out. I coached that for 3 hours, made my money, more than most people make in 7-8 hours of work today, and I've got a whole day free to myself. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about. People online want to learn English. Teach them English. If you have a second language, third language like me, go and teach them. People want to learn foreign languages. People want to learn English. People want to learn Spanish, French, Chinese, Mandarin, whatever it is. You guys have the ability, go and teach it. Tutor.com, go check that out. Coach Up, if you're a coach, go there to find out, who you can teach, who you can coach. Number 3, I'm going to call these home services. Mowing lawns, car washing. I always talk about mowing lawns. There are so many lawn services looking for people. There are also so many people looking for lawn services. So what does that mean? You can either join a lawn service and start mowing lawns for people, or you can start your own. Get a lawnmower, get people, or just go alone and mow lawns in different areas. $20 for a lawn mow, might take you 45 minutes, might take you an hour. Do that 5 times a day, 5 or 6 hours, you made your $100 and you're out. Same with car washing. Charge however much you want, $5, $10, $15. People are going to pay because to go to a car wash is going to cost them $20, $25, $30. You can do that for way cheaper and it's quicker. You can even go around to people's houses if it makes it easier for them. Get your, supplies, get what you need and provide the service. Apply yourself. Number 4, flipping things. As you guys know, I love flipping things. Laptops, phones, cameras, water bottles, sunglasses, anything you can find at Target, Walmart, any grocery shops, any of those things. Where can you flip them? Easy. Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, eBay, Craigslist. The list goes on and on and on. Up to you to get out there and do it. Put in the work. Flipping things is not tough. There are so many things you can flip. You guys might know a few of the things I flip. I'm just going to give you one example because I don't want you to take all the things I do. Phones. I've been doing this for years, flipping phones. It's so simple. You have to put in the work, you have to be patient, but it's effective. Once you purchase something, you can list it online. Even better, you don't even have to always purchase something. Find things in your house. There are so many things in your house people are not using, people do not need. Just list them online and wait for the messages to start coming in. There are so many apps as well you can use. OfferUp, another good app you can use. List your things on there. Number 5, and I'd suggest a lot of you guys go into this, social media management. Now, a lot of you guys have heard of SMMA, which stands for Social Media Marketing Agencies. What do? Grow social media accounts. Reach out to different people, customers. Try and gain attention on social media. This day and age, 2019, all online business involves some form of social media, whether it's by Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. People are looking to gain attention and create awareness for their brands, for their businesses. So, how do you do that? Well, for example, as you guys know, or you might not know, I have 2 accounts that I manage on social media, both on Instagram, and my aim is to grow their following. One has 33,000 followers, one has just under 14,000 followers. And so what's my aim? Reaching out to people, controlling posts, finding people who will be interested in what we are or what the business is offering. Obviously, it depends what you're offering, what niche you're in. You're going to target people. You've got to look at what the successful businesses are doing. You've got to look at what the successful brands are doing and base your, marketing off that. You have to learn how to target people, methods, different ways of doing it. It's not very easy, but it's not very time consuming either. And it's, once you learn it, it will come easy to you. But again, that's just like anything. Social media marketing, growing a business, helping them reach out to people, creating a presence online. That's what most people look for today. Just having an online presence. If you have 150,000 followers on a page, people think, this is something crazy. It might not even be that crazy. It might be someone just helped grow it to that level. The brand itself, the product itself might be worse than a page which has 2,000 followers. It's just up to you how you learn the strategies, learning the systems. And the best thing about social media marketing and social media management, you can get paid hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, depending on who you're working with and how well you can grow accounts, how well you can market, how well you can develop their brand, enhance their business. The 2 I'm doing right now, I get paid well for. And, eventually it could be, a full-time thing. That's the level you guys got to look for. There are so many people who are doing well with social media marketing and they can turn their social media marketing into a full-time income. And you don't even need a degree, you don't even need a lot of experience. You just need a little bit of hustle, trial and error, testing out different things, and looking online and researching how to grow things, what kind of post to put, different things which, gain attention. And now I've given you lots of different ways to, side hustle, and there are many more. Again, I'll talk about more in future videos, but today I've just given you 5. And to be honest, I said $10 to $100 per day. Some of these you can get $200 per day, $300 per day. It's up to you. It's how you scale. It's how you reach out to people. It's how you hustle. So thanks for watching today's video, guys. Check out other videos on this channel. But I've got money making. See you tomorrow for another video. Peace.